Good morning, children. Now I am going to take English for you. So, if you have English textbook, please open that and open page number 26. This is Unit 3. Lesson name is Just Being Kind. So, what is the meaning of kind? Means you must not talk harsh words for others, and you must be kind. You must be helpful to others. So that is the meaning of just being kind. Now I'll read the lesson. Listen carefully. Here they are given. Let us begin. Read these statements and write yes or no. So they are given some sentence. You must read that one, and in the bracket you must write yes or no. First one, we should throw dirty things on the road. You must throw, children, dirty things? No, no. So in the bracket you must write no, no. Second point, we should help our parents. So I think you are all helping your parents, no, children? So write in the bracket yes. Third point, we should keep our surroundings clean. So in the bracket you must write yes. Fourth point, we should kick our pets. Pets means baby dogs, animals, pet animals. So we must kick or we must look carefully, be kind to our pet animals. So we must be kind to our pet animals. We must not kick our pet animals. No, children? So in the bracket you write no. Next point, we should waste water. So wasting water is not good. No, children? So you write no in the bracket. We should have the TV on loudly. So you'll be watching TV, no? If you put more sound, what will happen? So you'll get headache, and for others also it will become irritate. So must not keep the TV loudly. You must keep slowly and listen there. So in the bracket you write no. Next, we should spit on the road. So if you are going on the road, you will be spitting on the road. No. So must not spit on the road. So in the bracket you write no. Next they are given add 2 more. So still 2 more you must write. What we must do again? We must help our parents in their work. No, children? And next, we shouldn't put the dirty things on the road, and we shouldn't fight with others. No, children? Next, let us listen. Note to the teacher. Listening text is at the end of the unit on page 40. So I'll explain in the next class. Let's listen to your teacher and finish the sentence. We say thank you. So when we will say thank you, if anyone gives anything for us, we will say thank you. Next, we say please. So when we say please, when we want something with your friends or relatives, you must say please give that pen, pencil or eraser. No, children? Next, we don't call names or tease. So you must not tease other children or elders. We don't shout. We don't fuss. So we must not shout also on the road or in the class or in the house. Next, we listen when others talk to us. So when others are talking to us, we must listen them what they are talking. No, children? Next page. We share our toys and take our turn. So if you have toys, means Gombe, we must share for others. If the others house means we must share it with others. Okay, children? Next, good manners aren't too hard to learn. So it is not hard, it is not difficult to learn good manners. It's really easy when you find good manners means just being kind. So it is very easy to learn these all good manners. So good manners means you must be kind to others. Next, here they are given some pictures and the written expression on the left side. In the right side picture is there, in the left side expression is there. So you must match that one. So first one is sorry. So when you say sorry, so in the B side, in the 6th line, they are given hurting someone. So if you beat or pinch for anyone, you must say sorry. Next, please. So when you say please, so when you want to ask for something with others, you must say please. So in the B side, in the fourth line they are given asking for something. So if you want to ask for something, you must say please. Next, in the A side, excuse me. So when you are saying excuse me, so when you are sneezing, in the B side, second line it is there sneezing. So when you are sneezing, you must say excuse me. Next, great. So when you want to say great, so when you are very happy. So when you are very happy, you must say great. Next, thank you. So when you must say thank you, when you are receiving a gift or if anyone gives for you anything, you must say thank you for them. Next, hello. So when you must say hello, so in the B side, in the first line it is there meeting. So when you want to meet some persons or your friends or elders, when you want to meet them, so you must say hello for them. Okay, children? So once again I will say this one. So sorry, hurting someone. Please, asking for something. Excuse me while sneezing. Great when you are happy. Thank you when you are receiving a gift. Hello when you meet some persons. That is meeting. So next page. So they are given here, answer these questions by picking the correct answers from the box. So when you must say thank you, sorry and please. So we must write that one. What are the words that we should use often? So which words you use often, children? So we should use thank you, sorry, please often. Every time we must be saying thank you, sorry and please. Children, next, what does calling names mean? So down they are given some bracket answers here. So we must choose and write that one. So what does calling names mean? So calling names means using bad words like fool and donkey to others. So while talking with others, we must not use the bad words like fool and donkey. So that is called calling names. Second question. Say two things that are not good manners. So which are not good manners, you must write in that answer. So the good manners, not good manners are shouting and teasing. So these are the two not good manners. So which are the shouting and teasing. Next, say two things that are good manners. So which are the good manners you must write. So which are the good manners? Sharing our toys and waiting for our turn. So these are the good manners. Fourth one, what should we do when others speak? So what we must do when others are speaking? So when others are speaking, we should listen what they are speaking and what they are talking. Next, in the end, what does good manners really mean? So good manners means what? What is the meaning of good manners means? In the end, good manners really means being kind and polite to others. We must not talk bad manners, bad words, and we must be polite to others. We must be kind to others. We must help others. Okay, children? So once again, I'll read this one. We should use the words thank you and please often. In the end, good manners really means being kind and polite to others. Sharing our toys and waiting for our turn are both good manners. Calling names means using bad words like fool and donkey to others. We should listen when others speak. Shouting and teasing are not good manners. So, these are the words we want to learn. This is the good manners we want to learn. Okay, children? Any doubt, children? We'll ask some question. So, when we want to say sorry, children, so we must say sorry when we hurt someone. Next, when we want to say please children, so when we want to ask anything, something with others, we want to say please. So next, when we want to say excuse me, so when we sneeze, then we want to say excuse me. So when we want to say thank you children, so when you are receiving a gift, we want to say thank you. Next, when we want to say hello, when you are going to meet your friends or relatives, we want to say hello for them. Next question. So what are the words we should often use children? So we should use thank you, sorry and please. Children, next. What are the two things that are not good manners children? So the two things are shouting and teasing. These are the not good manners. So which are good manners children? So sharing our toys and waiting for our turn. So these are both good manners. So what should we do when others speak children? So we must listen when others speak. So good manners means what? So good manners means being kind and polite to others. Okay children? I think you could have understood. So in the next class, I will give you notes. Okay children? Thank you.